You think that one-star review is your shield? You think freedom of speech lets you say whatever you want about a dealership?
And you think this is a warranty claim?
Today, we're not fighting the dealers. We're fighting the lie that could cost you your house.
Welcome back. Usually we're here tearing apart the frame welds or exposing predatory loans. We're on your side today.
But being on your side means telling you the hard truth. We've uncovered a massive shift in the industry. Dealerships are fighting back. They are suing customers for defamation, and they're winning.
We're going to show you the mechanical failures that you might be causing.
And I'm going to show you the court documents where a judge ordered a couple to apologize publicly for lying about it. If we demand honesty from them, we have to bring it ourselves. Let's start with the smoking gun. Everyone loves a good lemon RV story on TikTok, right? Mold, leaks, and ruined vacations.
We see them all the time. My RV is full of mold. The dealer sold me junk.
Well, let's look at the case of the Big Boy Toys versus Willard. A couple bought a used RV about $50,000. They took it on a 4-month trip. They claimed it was a lemon full of mold and that the dealer made them homeless on Christmas.
Classic horror story. So they went online.
They went nuclear. TikTok, Facebook, Google reviews. They accused the dealer of selling a water-damaged unit knowingly. But here's where the script flips. The dealer didn't settle. They sued for defamation.
And what did the court find? Was the RV a lemon?
No. The dealer had evidence the unit was dry when sold. The couple admitted they hadn't used a dehumidifier and hadn't maintained the seals during their trip.
A dehumidifier? In the winter, folks, if you're living in a box made of styrofoam and aluminum and you breathe in it, you are creating rain. If you don't run a dehumidifier, that mold isn't a defect. That's biology.
It gets worse for them because they couldn't prove the dealer lied. They had to settle. They had to delete every post and issue a public video apology admitting they failed to maintain the RV.
Imagine that. You buy an RV, you break it, you complain, and then you pay the dealer's legal fees.
This is the new reality. If you post a review that says they are scammers and you can't prove fraud in court, that is defamation per se.
Now, let's talk about why people get so angry. It's a warranty gap.
I'm looking at the Forest River and Thor warranty guides right now. There is a clause here that traps thousands of people.
Is it the adjustment clause?
Exactly. Listen to this. Adjustments including tightening screws, latches, and locks are owner maintenance, and often they're only covered for 90 days.
Here's what happens. You buy the rig, you drive it 500 miles, and it's a rolling earthquake. This, the hinges vibrate loose, the doors fall off.
You go to the dealer at month 6. You say, fix my door, it's under warranty.
The dealer says, no, that's an adjustment. You should have tightened those yourself.
You scream, lemon. You write a bad review, but the document you sign says you are responsible for tightening screws.
Folks, get a screwdriver. Check every screw every 30 days. This is not a defect. That is RV ownership. If you don't do it, that's negligence. Let's talk about the number one fake warranty claim I see, the slide out.
These claims get denied constantly.
This is a Swintech system. It uses 2 motors. They have to stay perfectly synced. I had a guy come in, motor burned out. He says it just died. Junk. I checked the voltage. He tried to open this huge room with a half-dead battery.
So, what does voltage have to do with it?
Physics. Low voltage means high amps. High amps means heat. He cooked the motor because he didn't plug it in to shore power first.
So, he submits a claim for $1,000 motor.
And the manufacturer denies it because it's user error. Then he goes online and says they won't honor their warranty. No, brother, you murdered that motor. Also, if you aren't level, and I mean dead level, these frames twist. If you open a slide while twisted, you stop the gears. That is not a factory defect. That is not using your leveling jacks. Up here is where the war is lost. See this? We call this alligator skin. The sealant is dried out. It's cracked. Water is leaking right through here and rotting the wood ceiling.
Let's talk about the most expensive one, water damage. I'm looking at the denial letter right now. The customer claimed roof leak defect. The manufacturer requested maintenance logs. The customer had none. Claim denied.
If you haven't been up here with a caulking gun in 6 months, you don't have a warranty claim. You have a maintenance problem.
And here is the kicker. Insurance won't cover it either. They cover sudden and accidental damage, like a tree branch. They do not cover gradual deterioration or lack of maintenance.
So you're stuck with a $5,000 bill. And whose fault is it? It's yours. We rip on dealers when they lie, and we criticize manufacturers when they produce subpar products. But this channel is all about truth.
If we want to be taken seriously as consumers, we have to come with clean hands.
That means documenting your maintenance. It means understanding these things break when you abuse them.
And it means realizing that your words have consequences. A review is not a weapon for extortion. If you say they scam me, when really you just didn't read the manual
Or do the maintenance.
you might be the one writing the apology check.
We want you to be protected. Protection means knowing your contract, doing your maintenance, and being honest about what has happened.
We want to hear from the honest mechanics out there. What's the craziest user error you've seen a customer try to claim on a warranty?
Hey, if you've been denied a claim that was legit, tell us that too. We want the whole picture.
As always, every lawsuit and warranty guide we mentioned is linked in our source on our Facebook page. Go read them.
Adventure is calling.
And we must go.
Like and share so others don't get ripped off by them or yourself.